Hello, Master Manifester. Today we're talking about how to embrace your emotions so you can release resistance and receive your manifestation. So, what is it about embracing emotions that's so important for when you set intentions and when you start the story of having that manifestation, whatever that experience is that you want to have? Well, the problem starts with energy being in motion. Emotion is the signals from our body. They're chemical and hormonal signals about internal or external events. And they're like, hey, this is probably important to our survival. I don't know how, but this something is happening. And we need to tell you that something is happening, right? This is the active emotional identity in your body. And I love talking about my body. Me and body are besties. Like, it's not about what my body looks like, although I do like how my body looks at its various stages. But it is that we are so deeply connected and communicating on a very intuitive level. And I'm really paying attention to the signals my body is giving me. Am I feeling tight in my chest? Are my ears ringing? Is my toe tapping? What's going on that my body is trying to communicate to me? And then looking and noticing the mental stories. Is this feeling making me feel bad about myself? Where is that coming from? Is that an old program that I need to dig out and, either get rid of or reprogram? Usually you reprogram them. Getting rid of it usually creates empty space the brain does not like, and you'll just go back to the old program. So replace whenever possible. But those bad feelings, they don't mean anything about you. And that's really important to differentiate that they are simply feedback. They are data. They're information. So when you feel really angry, that is information that your boundaries have been tested or there's a mismatch between your expectations and your reality. This is important stuff. And when we stuff those emotions down, they get stuck in the body and they just feed on all the energy. They're just running energy in the background, using like there's a ton of system processes on your computer in the background, just eating it up and making everything lag. That is exactly how the emotions work in your body. If you do not notice them, fully experience, and let them process out, basically fully experience it is all you need to do to process it. You don't need to interpret what does this mean. You can if you want to, but you don't have to. To clear it, it only needs to be seen. But what happens is because of our associations, which are presets unconsciously in our brain that kick in before conscious awareness, our associations can easily decide that angry means I'm being bad, I'm misbehaving, I'm a bad person, I'm not acting according to my expectations of myself, right? And this is why emotional acceptance is so important in manifestation, because when you are manifesting, you are creating a new identity of predictive processes about what you can have, about what you will do, about what your life is like, about what you will experience. And this goes down all the way through your system, your brain, your body, your gut, your heart. It goes through all of your field and everything gets rewired, which uses massive amount of emotional and physical energy. Literally takes a lot of energy to rewire your neurons in your brain and your new neural pathways. And keeping things in your system coherent, accepting those feelings, not pushing your body away, not being cruel to your body, not allowing your thoughts about, and sometimes you're going to have thoughts. Thoughts are emergent properties. They're just coming up out of your system with information about what they think things means, right? And what they think according to your story. They are, again, just data. You do not make your thoughts. They are coming to you just like the emotions, like messengers. Hey, this is the story. You can stop the thought, perfect the pause. No, 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 this is not the story. So go back. You don't even have to be mad. Just go back, bring me a better story, and be clear about what you want that better story to be, how you want to feel about yourself, how you want to feel connected to all of you, how you want to love and respect and care for yourself. And then finding the emotional evidence of your success, of your growth, of your manifestations, everything you've already got, all the abundance that you already are, and getting to the heart of what it is that you're needing right now that will help you release those feelings, that will help you not just face them, but feel through it. Don't fake it, feel it. Feel through these experiences And the more in touch you are with your body, the more that emotional visualization is so much easier. And it is so good because it connects everything. It connects nervous system, it connects heart, it connects brain. Gut is in the emotions. You've got neurons in your gut that are delivering emotional messages to your brain. Getting all of that coherent means moving physically, getting in touch with all of your body, feeling your hands, your face, your ears, being connected with all of the form of the vessel that you're moving through in this reality, and listening. I mean, not listening with your ears, but listening with your being. What is happening inside? Being quiet and still and noticing and paying attention like it's you're a detective. Like what is the evidence? What are the signals? What are the clues of what my body is trying to say to me? And the more you do that, the more your body is going to trust you. This is ancient wisdom. This body knows much, much more than our conscious identity minds. That's a much newer formation as far as our physical beings. So getting in touch with your body's intelligence and its wisdom is going to make intuitive and inspired action so much easier. It's going to make receiving your manifestation in satisfaction much easier. And I hope this has helped you to understand why emotion is so important, why it's important not to stuff the feelings, not to leave them in the body. And you can go, during meditation and actively go clear them out. But most of the time, once you send the invitation, hey, at this time, I'm going to be sitting down and ready to listen to body's emotions, right? It's going to start showing up because it wants to connect. You want to connect with you. You are connected to you. You never can really be disconnected, but the awareness and the noticing, the filter needs to be updated to take in more information about you. Thank you for listening. Please like, subscribe, and sign up for the Method Muse newsletter in the description below.